Yo, what's up everyone, it's IMR and we're diving into something that's changing the game, AI tools. These aren't just futuristic concepts anymore, they're here right now. And honestly, they can seriously level up your workflow. We're talking about everything from writing to editing to even creating entire videos, all powered by AI. And in this video I'm breaking down 10 of the most essential AI tools that you absolutely need to check out. We're going deep on how each one works, the kind of magic they can do, and most importantly, how you can actually start using them today to boost your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, trust me, there's something here for everyone. So buckle up, let's get into it. First up, we're kicking things off with Jasper.ai, your new secret weapon for all things writing. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, even scripts for your videos. Jasper can handle it all. Now, the key here is to be specific with your prompts. The more detail you give Jasper about what you're looking for, the better the output is going to be. Think of it like this, you're the director, and Jasper is your super talented writer. You wouldn't just say, write me a story, right? You'd give them the plot, the characters, the whole vibe you're going for. It's the same with Jasper. Once you've got your content, don't just hit publish just yet. Remember, Jasper is a tool, and like any tool, you gotta know how to use it effectively. Take some time to review the generated text, make any tweaks, add your own personal flair. It's all about finding that sweet spot between AI assistance and your own creativity. And trust me, once you get the hang of it, Jasper can seriously cut down your writing time and help you pump out some seriously impressive content. Next up, we've got Grammarly, the grammar checker that needs no introduction. We've all been there, staring at a wall of text, wondering if we use the right there or there. Well, Grammarly takes all that guesswork out of the equation. It's like having a personal proofreader on standby 24/7, catching those pesky typos, grammatical errors, and even suggesting better word choices. And the best part is, it works pretty much everywhere, your browser, your documents, even your social media. Now here's the thing about Grammarly, it's not about blindly accepting every suggestion it throws at you. It's about understanding why it's making those suggestions, and then deciding if it makes your writing stronger. Think of it as a conversation with a super smart editor. They're pointing out areas where you can improve, but ultimately, you're the one making the final call. So yeah, Grammarly is definitely a must-have, but use it strategically, and you'll be amazed at how much it can elevate your writing. Now let's talk video editing with Descript. This tool is a game changer, especially if you're working with a lot of talking head-style content. Imagine being able to edit your videos like you edit a text document. Cutting, copying, pasting, all with a few clicks. That's the power of Descript. You upload your video, Descript transcribes it automatically, and boom, you can now edit the text, and the video reflects those changes in real time. It's seriously mind-blowing. And if you've ever had to deal with filler words, ums, ahs, all that good stuff, Descript makes it ridiculously easy to remove them. But hold up, it gets even better. Descript also has this amazing feature called Overdub, which lets you create a text-to-speech version of your voice. So if you need to add a line or two to your video, but you don't have time to re-record, Overdub has got you covered. It's like having a clone of your voice ready to go whenever you need it. Honestly, Descript is one of those tools that you have to try for yourself to really grasp how powerful it is. Chapter 4. Synthesia. Create videos from text. Next up, let's talk about Synthesia. Imagine this, you need a high-quality video but you don't have the time, resources, or maybe even the desire to be on camera. That's where Synthesia comes in. This tool lets you create professional-looking videos using AI avatars. It's super simple to use. You sign up, choose from a diverse range of avatars, write your script, and Synthesia does the rest, generating your video in minutes. And the avatars aren't just static images, they actually move and gesture like real people, which makes your videos way more engaging. You can customize the background, add music, even upload your own branding. It's perfect for explainer videos, product demos, social media content, you name it. Synthesia takes all the hassle out of video creation, making it accessible to everyone, even if you've never made a video before. Chapter 5. Murf.ai, your AI voiceover assistant. Now let's talk audio. If you've ever needed a voiceover for your videos, presentations, or any project really, then you need to check out Murf.ai. This tool is like having a whole cast of voice actors at your fingertips. You start by creating an account, then jump into the studio, type in your script, and choose from a library of unbelievably realistic voices. We're talking different accents, tones, everything you need to find the perfect voice for your project. But here's the kicker, Murf.ai goes beyond just basic text-to-speech. You can actually fine-tune the pronunciation, emphasis, even add pauses and breaths to make your voiceovers sound supernatural. No more robotic, monotone voices. Murf.ai gives you complete control over your audio, making it sound polished and professional. Chapter 6. Midjourney, AI-generated art. Now, let's get creative with Midjourney. This tool is all about generating stunning images using the power of AI. It's a little different from the other tools we've looked at so far because it operates through Discord. Don't worry, it's super easy to use. You join the Midjourney server, type in your prompts, and watch as the AI generates your images right before your eyes. The level of detail and creativity is insane. You can generate everything from photorealistic landscapes to abstract art to even crazy, imaginative creatures that you wouldn't believe. And the best part is, you get different variations of your prompt, so you can choose the one you like best. Midjourney is all about exploring the possibilities of AI art and letting your imagination run wild. Next up, we're diving into DALL-E 2, another incredibly powerful AI image generator that's changing the game. This one is created by the folks over at OpenAI, and it's known for creating some seriously mind-blowing images from just your text descriptions. You'll need to create an OpenAI account to get started, but once you're in, it's a whole new world of creative possibilities. You type in what you want to see, no matter how specific or out there it might be, and DALL-E 2 goes to work, generating multiple image options based on your prompt. The level of detail and realism is insane, and it's only getting better as the AI continues to learn. DALL-E 2 is like having a personal digital artist at your beck and call, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. Chapter 8. ChatGPT, your personal AI chatbot. Let's talk ChatGPT. This is the AI chatbot that everyone's talking about, and for good reason. It's built on a massive amount of text data, which allows it to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. You can ask it to write you a song, explain a complex concept, or even just have a casual conversation with it. It's all about how you use it. To get started, head over to the ChatGPT website and create an account. Once you're in, the possibilities are pretty much endless. The key is to be clear and specific with your prompts. The more context you give ChatGPT, the better it'll be able to understand what you're looking for and generate a helpful response. Chapter 9. GitHub Copilot, your AI coding companion. Now this one's for all the developers out there. GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered tool is like having a super smart coding buddy right there in your editor. It integrates directly into your coding environment, whether you're using VS Code, NeoVim, JetBrains IDEs, or even in the cloud with GitHub Codespaces. Once you've got it installed, Copilot starts learning from your code and providing suggestions as you type. It's like having autocomplete on steroids. It can suggest entire lines of code, functions, even comments, all based on the context of what you're working on. Now it's important to remember that Copilot is here to assist you, not replace you as a developer. It's a tool to help you code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Chapter 10. Hugging Face, your AI model hub. Finally, let's wrap things up with Hugging Face, your one-stop shop for everything related to machine learning. Think of it as a massive library filled with pre-trained models, datasets, and all sorts of cool tools to build, train, and deploy your own AI projects. You start by creating a free account, and then you can dive into the Hugging Face Hub. This is where you'll find all the good stuff. Thousands of models for natural language processing, computer vision, audio processing, you name it. Hugging Face is all about making AI more accessible and collaborative. It's a place where you can discover new models, learn from others, and even contribute your own work to the community. Outro: level up your workflow with AI. So there you have it, guys. 10 incredible AI tools that are changing the game across multiple fields. Whether you're a writer, a video editor, a developer, or just someone who wants to explore the power of AI, there's definitely a tool out there for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these tools. Have you tried any of them? Are there any other AI tools you'd like me to cover in a future video? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the description for links to all the tools mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, tutorials, and all-around awesome content. Peace!